Ibiza is a destination that enchants everyone with its unique blend of natural beauty, vibrant culture, and unparalleled nightlife. Everyone who visits this island knows and appreciates its beauty, its beaches, its beautiful coves, its nightlife, and generally all the beauty of Ibiza. But what is the national dish of Ibiza? Are you ready to explore the flavors of Ibiza? Let's discover it together. You can't talk about Ibiza without mentioning Bullit de peix, a flavorful fish stew, or Sofrit pagès, a hearty dish with meats and vegetables. Each dish reflects the essence of the island. Exploring the gastronomy of Ibiza is to discover a world of flavors, colors, and textures. It's a culinary adventure that invites you to savor every moment. Join us on this sensory journey through Ibiza. Welcome to a unique culinary journey, where we explore the authentic flavors of Ibiza. Today, we dive into the rich and varied Ibizan gastronomy, a fusion of tradition and modernity. Hello everyone, and welcome to a new video of this channel, Ibiza Best Places to Stay in Summer, the definitive channel for everyone who dreams of discovering the best-kept secrets of Ibiza. Here you will find not only guides and recommendations, but also authentic experiences and expert advice that will transform your trip to Ibiza into something unforgettable. Let's begin. The cuisine of Ibiza is a mix of Mediterranean cultures. Influenced by the Phoenicians, Romans, and Arabs, each dish tells a story of conquests and traditions. Here, each bite is a piece of history. Fresh and local ingredients are the heart of Ibizan cuisine. From the fresh fish of the Mediterranean to the aromatic herbs of its fields, Ibiza is a feast for the senses. You can't talk about Ibiza without mentioning Bullit de peix, a flavorful fish stew, or Sofrit pagès, a hearty dish with meats and vegetables. Each dish reflects the essence of the island. Ibiza's cuisine is also about innovation. Local and internationally renowned chefs are reinventing traditional dishes, creating gastronomic experiences that challenge and delight the palate. Exploring the gastronomy of Ibiza is to discover a world of flavors, colors, and textures. It's a culinary adventure that invites you to savor every moment. Join us on this sensory journey through Ibiza. Today we dive into the heart of Ibizan cuisine to present you with Bullit de peix, a stew that captures the essence of the island. This dish, born on the boats of Ibizan fishermen, is a tribute to the simplicity and freshness of the sea. Bullit de peix is made with carefully selected local fish and is slowly cooked with potatoes, garlic, tomato, and saffron, creating a rich and aromatic broth that forms the base of this stew. With each bite, you discover the history of Ibiza, an island where gastronomy is a reflection of its culture and people. This dish, humble in its origins but rich in flavor, is a favorite among both locals and visitors, and has become a symbol of Ibizan cuisine. Enjoying Bullit de peix is not just about tasting a dish, but experiencing a vital part of Ibiza's identity. It's an invitation to sit at the table with the Ibizans, to share stories, and to enjoy life with every spoonful of this traditional stew. But that's not all. Here we present you with Sofrit pagès, another delicious Ibizan dish. Sofrit pagès is a culinary gem of Ibiza, a stew that combines various meats with potatoes, vegetables, and typical island sausages, such as sobrassada and butifarra. This dish, born from tradition and simplicity, is a reflection of Ibizan gastronomic history. The preparation process of Sofrit pagès is a ritual in itself. It begins with the separate cooking of meats like lamb and chicken, which are then fried to add a crispy texture. The sofrito, the heart of the dish, is made with green peppers, tomato, garlic, parsley, and bay leaf, mixed with the meat broth to create a rich and aromatic base. Potatoes, fried and mixed with artichoke hearts, are added to the pot, where all the ingredients are combined and cooked together. This stew is traditionally served in large trays, becoming the centerpiece of family gatherings and festivities. Before we continue, if you're enjoying this video, we'd appreciate your support with a like. It motivates us and helps us continue creating tutorials like this one. And if you haven't done so yet, we invite you to subscribe to our channel to explore Ibiza through our tutorials. In Ibiza, the connection with the sea is palpable in every bite. Island chefs like Rafa Zafra are revolutionizing traditional cuisine, elevating the essence of the sea to new heights. Ibiza's cuisine is a tribute to its natural surroundings, a fusion of tradition and modernity that invites visitors to immerse themselves in a world of authentic flavors and unforgettable experiences. A journey through the authentic flavors of Ibiza. Ibiza is a paradise not only for its beaches and nightlife, but also for its rich gastronomy. A tour of Ibiza's authentic flavors is an experience that awakens all the senses. From the most traditional corners to the most modern restaurants, the island offers a culinary diversity that reflects its history and culture. The gastronomic route in Ibiza takes you through prominent places where local cuisine shines with fresh products and intense flavors. Each dish tells a story, from sailor stews to fresh salads and cured meats. The island's restaurants, like El Bigotes or Casa Hondal, are true temples of Ibizan cuisine, where you can enjoy dishes like Borrida de Rajada or Bullit de peix. Exploring Ibiza through its gastronomy is to discover the essence of the island. It's an invitation to sit at a table by the sea, to taste flavors passed down through generations, and to understand why Ibiza's cuisine is much more than paella and seafood. It's a culinary journey that reveals the true soul of Ibiza. The story behind Ibiza's national dish. Ibiza's gastronomy reflects its history and culture, and the island's national dish, Bullit de peix, is a perfect example of this heritage. This dish, which has become a symbol of Ibizan cuisine, has its roots in the traditions of local fishermen. Bullit de peix is a fish stew that originated on the boats of Ibizan fishermen, known as llauts. In the past, fishermen prepared this dish at sea, using the fish they had just caught. The recipe includes a variety of local fish such as ray, grouper, and dentex, cooked in an aromatic broth with potatoes, garlic, peppers, and saffron. This dish is not only a feast for the palate, but also a connection to the island's past. Each bite of Bullit de peix is a journey through the history of Ibiza, from the times when fishing was the main livelihood of its inhabitants to the present, where it has become an essential dish on the menus of local restaurants. Bullit de peix is more than just a dish. It's a celebration of Ibizan life and culture, a tribute to the flavors of the Mediterranean Sea and the simplicity of local ingredients. It's a culinary experience that connects diners to the very essence of Ibiza. In this culinary journey through Ibiza, we have explored authentic flavors and the rich history of its gastronomy. From the emblematic Bullit de peix, a dish born on the fishermen's boats, to the Sofrit pagès, a stew that mixes meats, potatoes, and sausages, each bite has taken us to a special corner of the island. We have discovered that Ibizan cuisine goes beyond paella, immersing us in a variety of dishes that reflect the essence of the sea and the land. We have traveled through tradition and modernity that merge at the table with dishes from Ibiza. In this journey, we have savored the history behind each dish, understanding how Ibiza's gastronomy is a reflection of its culture and its people. From the flavors of the sea to the products of its fields, Ibiza has offered us an unforgettable culinary experience. This concludes our journey through Ibizan gastronomy, a tour that has led us to appreciate the richness and diversity of its flavors. We hope this journey has awakened in you the desire to explore and taste for yourself the delicious dishes of this charming island. We hope this video tutorial has served as a good guide to learn more about Ibiza's cuisine. Which of these dishes would you like to try first? Please let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy the best video tutorials of Ibiza until the next culinary adventure. Thank you for joining us once again. See you in the next video.